Welcome back, everyone. We are currently trapped in Tokyo's nightlife because my friend Jake insists on 100% Japanese immersion.
すみません、お会計お願いします。
Oh-kye-kay, oh-kye-kay. It means the bill. Jake confidently asked for the bill. Let's see the damage.
お待たせいたしました。こちらになります。
お待たせいたしました。お待たせいたしました. It means, thank you for waiting. The manager just handed him the check. He's a very large man in a perfectly fitted suit.
おー、安いですね。
安い? It means cheap. He says it's cheap. Jake, let me see that piece of paper. Jake, count the zeros.
10万円
10万円. 10万円. It means 100,000 yen. Yes. Sakura just saw it. 100,000 yen. That is almost $700.
没入感は最高です。
Mikis. It means the best. He says immersion is the best. I am going to pass out.
ビル深呼吸してください。落ち着いて。
Ite. It means calm down. Sakura, I am hyperventilating. How do we dispute this without getting thrown into an alley?
まず、明細をもらいましょ
う。明細. It means itemized bill. Right. We need to see every single charge.
スタッフに説明してくださいと言います。
説明してください. It means please explain. Okay. I will ask the large man in the suit. Very calmly.
お客様、どうかされましたか？
He's looking down at us, broad shoulders, completely blank expression. He has the aura of an accountant who also knows martial arts. Excuse me, sir. This bill. 高すぎます. It means too expensive. It is way too expensive. There must be a mistake.
間違いはございません。こちらが明細です。
間違い. It means mistake. He says there is no mistake and handed me the itemized list. His eyes are completely dead.
テーブルチャージと飲み物と
飲み物. It means drinks. Table charge. And drinks. That part makes sense. But what is the rest?
このゲーム代は何ですか？
ゲーム代. It means game fee. Sakura is asking about a game fee. What game costs 50,000 yen?
ジェイク様がスタッフとテキーラゲームをしました。
Staffu. It means staff. With the staff. Jake, did you play a tequila drinking game with the entire bar staff?
はい、私が負けました。
けました. It means lost. He lost. And he sounds so proud of it.
ジェイクさん、値段を見ましたか？
値段. It means price. Did you look at the price on the menu before you agreed to buy shots for everyone?
いいえ、漢字は読めません。
Fimasen. It means cannot read. You cannot read kanji. So you just blindly nodded and cheered?
ジェイク様のサインです。ルールはルールです。
Sign. It means signature. Is right here. He is right. Rules are rules. Sir, can we at least get a receipt for this? For my emotional records? Reshito. It means receipt. I need a receipt to prove this nightmare happened.
領収書ですね。かしこまりました。
領収書. It means formal receipt. He's gonna get the formal receipt. His polite menace is terrifying.
ビル、これは詐欺じゃないですね。
Bo? So? Fi-ya. It means scam. Right. It's not a scam. They didn't lie. Jake just happily volunteered his wallet.
警察を呼んでも、助けてくれません。
Wine ties. Wine ties. It means police. Won't help if you legally sign the tab for voluntary drinks.
ジェイクさん、自分で払ってくださいね。
自分で. It means by yourself. Yes. Pay by yourself. I am absolutely not splitting this with you.
すみません。クレジットカードで払います。
クレジットカード. It means credit card. He will pay with a credit card. Thank goodness his limit is high.
お支払いはこちらへどうぞ。
支払い. It means payment. He is escorting Jake to the register for the payment.
本当に、夜の街は気をつけてください。
おつけて. It means be careful. In the nightlife district. Always ask for an itemized bill.
そして、値段を必ず確認してください。
確認. It means confirm the prices before you agree to anything.
ジェイクさん、泣いていますね。
Itemize. It means is crying. Yes, he is crying at the register. The immersion finally hit his bank account. Subscribe for more financial survival tips. And never let your friends play games they can't read.